sa memorandum nag-follow ka ng mga rules na provide para maging systematic ang atong as we live together in this world, because kada isa sa ato ay natin mga pagalimutan ng gusto, pero dili ka ng gusto nato is acceptable sa uban. Ganun, for example, sa isang situation na kanang sa feelings, feeling mo, love mo siya, and then siya po, naitiyang love, and then pamagpuli mo, basta-basta mag-express ang iyong feelings sa isang katao, kaya syempre, need ka po ka ng assurance or something na ka ng di maka-down sa imuha. And then, ang naka-advantage po sa pag-follow of rules, regulation, and policies is ma-avoid na ito ang mga crimes, ang mga mistakes, o mga immorality na mag-kasi sa katao. Ang tao mo doon, or we as isang society, prone ka sa mga misjudgments, ng mga crimes, tungkol sa ato ang mga kagustuhan na to. So, with the following rules, regulation, and policies, maka-promote ni siya both justice, rights, and fair decision-making for unbiased decision. So, kung mag-create ng mga decision based sa ay tama or mali, siyempre, dili ka ng rules accepted sa kanan, siyempre na-amatch mo post. Pero, within following rules is sometimes kinahanglan nato mo sacrifice para sa as a whole sa ato ang kanan. And then, male morality has straightforward framework for ethical decision-making. So, sa male morality, ang decision is not all about emotion. Ginatato dito about sa logical, analytical approach to problems, problem solving mindset, finding practical and effective solution to ethical dilemmas.
Sige, pagpala na, summarize na lang. Recap sa ating mga considerate.
Okay, ang mga pag-inom niya is gusto na po improve lalong mas better ang male morality kaysa female morality, because pwede ang religion okay. Ever since sa una pa lang panahon, puro male ang provide the media about sa according to rules, mga regulation, and then few sa mga females. And then so, as I can say, murag part sa nature na ang male build mo dominate o mas dapat mo maging leaders sa kanan. Sila may may capability na mo decide sa tama or mali. Kaya ang male, kaya nila i-set aside ang emotion, and then even though mag-affect sa ilaha, ang male will be mo hatag o sacrifice. And then during sa war, syempre, ang mga male sa judgment, then mo sapat sa laban ng mga and then sa mga leaders, ang mga effective na leaders kay puro male. And then
negative side of male morality. We do not accept. We of course acknowledge that. However, we want to put emphasis that it is male morality. So we also want to remind that the morality of male also have a negative side. Justify war, right? You said that their framework, the male framework, right, system is much more better than yeah, women or female morality. So you said that it is much more better to delve into the logic and that we shouldn't just rely on emotions, right? We want to emphasize that we want you to emphasize or justify well some of the parts of male morality actually are dependent on their instincts as well since they're humans, right? Yeah. For example, say observing Ruben Padillas' position in the Senate, justifying that they have women has to serve the interests of the male as well, and then somehow some of the male morality actually neglects female rights, position, role in society, and of course, I've already stated about the starting of war, causes of war, it's based on the judgment of the males. And we want to put an emphasis that female morality, although it is reliant on emotional, we want to put emphasis that the emotional side, it's not about the negative side as well. As long as you are emotionally intelligent, you can you have the task to navigate to weigh and balance, which is much more better for everyone, for the entire population. It also nurtures the soul for everyone, of course, and it helps build society, it promotes inclusivity. Leading in sympathy promotes participation, promotes teamwork. It's not just that you painted the emotional, you mean that you want to create a systematic framework as well that serves the best interest of everyone. It also includes the women as well, since based on past morality, it really neglected the position and the rights of the males. And it promotes healthy dealing conflict instead of resorting to war, chaos, something like that, revenge. And well, if you pay more attention to carrying moral dilemma as well, male is more on personal rights or human rights. At the end of the day, they don't really stick to that motion because, well, male leaders, they, at the end of the day, serve their best interest. And also, female morality, it focuses on relationship, also responsibility, and being partial, and
is, sa ilang argument is, iba lang yung tanan. Ganito si argument, tapos na siya rational, tapos based on main na sila rational. Nag-mention siya wars, tapos instinct sa.
You said na equal, right? Yeah.
You're trying to equalize na. Ang gusto lang is, ganito ako sa.
Is it not better to equalize?
Kaya yung fight mo, position dito. So, for emphasis natin sa inyo nga is responsibility. So, pag-inom ka is responsibility for based on emotions, which I think is actually not because para sa responsibility is based on moral understanding.
Pero di ba nakapuro lang emotion when it comes to driving, it drives us to motivation, right? Gives us motivation, inspiration. That's the, by nature, by human nature, you want inspiration to build something, to create something. And I think we shouldn't just dismiss that one emotion side. It takes a prominent role in that.
Wala ko na business emotional side. Because actually, natin yung emotional side. Actually, it's a fact. It's a fact.
Kakontradict na naman.
Pero, if you take responsibility ito ng mga laws, like yung lang, no? Ano na yung mga wars instinct.
Those are built to serve the best interest of everyone, right? So at the end of the day, we are humans, we are wired emotionally, and we want to take into account the emotions of everyone, and at the same time, human thing and make a sensible law or decision on it, right?
However, diba, practice na sa one rate. So, yeah, it's more like. Actually, acknowledge na. Pero as time goes on, diba, mas rational ka. Nag-improve ako ang rationality.
Yes, because we're progressing emotionally in being emotionally intelligent.
No. Okay, acknowledge. So, dalawang bata, yung example for animals. Magkano primitive people.
For example, we cannot really build some such laws if we don't have sympathy and emotional attachment to those, right?
Pero, ang rationality is mag-base mo rin siya sa pagsunod sa argument.
Logic and emotion is very you cannot create a sensible judgment of that. Never see
Okay, so ano ba siya? Ang main morality is about rules, regulation, and policies.
we also want to put emphasis on, yes, we acknowledge that, of course, but we also want to put emphasis on the negative side of human morality. And that if we cannot really nuance it if we do not take into account the emotional side.
So the negative side is what's our negative side?
There's no equality for women, there's no position, for prominent position for women, we're always in a disadvantage.
Dapat lang na yung position na hindi na pwede na parang sa male, parang sa female. Dapat,
Also, you say, contradicting mo ang ikuan siya, Mr. Because, as you said, equality, right, and then, there should be no balancing between male and female, kind of contradicting, right?
Affirmative and the opposition is shake hands. Ang mutoy na kasi dapat ba?
two sides. Ang kaso lang, every time na nai-counterpart yung statement ko ay bukas na bilis ang sabi sila ng ibang.